Now, 27 storm track weather with meteorologist Max Saparis.
Starting off with the snowy scene from Mother's Day. Isn't this a sign of the times? We had, of course, flakes flying, a trace accumulation, not measurable, but this is how it looked on someone's windshield in Evansville. And of course, can't go anywhere without your mask. Yeah, very handy. So this is the scene in Evansville from Jimmy. We appreciate this picture. No more snow. We are finally done. I figured it would be a good time to recap the snow season we just got out of. Nearly 54 inches of snow this season. That's a couple inches above average and a couple inches below what we got last season. So another way to put it in perspective is you shoveled about 4.5 feet of snow this winter. Again, right around normal. Here's frost for tonight. So we have one final wintry feel before the forecast turns more spring-like. Temps will fall at or below freezing, especially in rural communities. You get a little bit cooler than city centers, so I'm more concerned about frost if you're outside of town. Therefore, just cover up those sensitive plants or bring them inside. We're not going to get as cold as the mid to low 20s that we saw Saturday morning, but still flirting with, if not falling a little below freezing by tomorrow morning. Right now we're in the 40s, cool, but a light wind out of the northwest, not much of a wind chill today. As we head later into the afternoon, look what might happen. We could see a stray sprinkle here or there. A lot of these showers you're seeing on Futurecast radar is not going to reach the ground. We're still going to be too dry at ground level with that flow out of the west and northwest today. So just an outside chance for a sprinkle today. And then as we enter into tonight and early tomorrow morning, here we are pre-dawn Tuesday, at or below freezing for most spots across southern Wisconsin. So again, just take the precautions you need to. Clouds and radar showing that we're pretty bright after having a sun-cloud mix through the early part of the day. There's our next system making its way through the central plains, tracking some snow through southern South Dakota and Nebraska, but by the time it reaches us locally, it will just be rainfall, I can promise you that. High pressure in control, keeping us brighter than yesterday for sure. Drier as well, only an outside chance at a sprinkle today. Patchy frost expected as we get towards tomorrow morning. We're going to have lighter winds. We're going to have clearer skies. That should be a recipe to have that heat escape into the air, which could possibly form some of that frost. Tomorrow, with the added sunshine and lighter winds in general, we should warm up, though temps still falling below average for this time of year. Breezier setup with winds out of the southeast Wednesday ahead of our weather system that'll bring us rainfall as soon as Wednesday evening and overnight, with more showers and maybe even some thunder showers expected on Thursday. Here's your full storm track recap. 50 today with an isolated sprinkle possible between 4 and like 7 this evening. So again, outside chance for that, not a big deal. We'll get to around freezing tonight, especially for rural communities. Patchy frost is expected. Tomorrow, upper 50s, and that begins our warm up. You'll see that here on the 7-day forecast. Notice your overnight lows, nothing close to freezing beyond tonight, so we're good to go planting those annuals as we get towards tomorrow during the daylight hours and beyond. Low 60s on Wednesday. Rain returns Wednesday night with a few claps of thunder possible Thursday. We'll make a run at the 70-degree mark on Friday, one of the warmest days of the year so far. I think it'll be the only third time we've reached 70 so far this year. And then a couple showers are possible this weekend, but it will be milder either way. Shouldn't be a washout either with temps in the mid to upper 60s. So more favorable, Caroline?
Yes, I approve.
Yeah.
My want for planting also approves.
Right. One more night.
Yes.
Take those precautions. You don't want to trip at the finish line with these plants, right?
Absolutely not. Max, thank you.
You're welcome.